Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, I'm giving out some awards at the end of 2023. What a fantastic year. Can't wait to see what's happening in 2024. This award is a new award. This one is for Technician of the Year. So this is when I go around and I'm looking for this technician. So they're not a business owner. They just work for the owner. What do they bring to the table? They're researching the equipment. They're learning. This person come to the flood house. This person is now a master restoration technician through the Australian Cleaning and Restoration Academy by doing a detailed exam and then a detailed full report on a drying situation. Did all in their own time. The passion that this person has, bucket load of passion, and really wants to do a good job, and really passionate about their customers. I've been out on site with them, the way they interact with their customer. It's refreshing to see a technician, young and that much passion. I think I was there once, but I'm getting old now, so I don't think I'm there anymore. But fantastic. And this person is Kyle Jones from Admiral Cleaning and Restoration. Well done, Kyle. We're going to send you, mate, we're going to send you something different. We're going to send you a $50 gift card, mate, from Prezi. So $50 gift card rather than a voucher at Restore Solutions, mate, because this one you can use for yourself. Mate, well done. It's just a little present. But well done, and good luck to you in 2024, mate. And I hope everything works out for you, and keep up the good work for Admiral, mate. You're doing fantastic. Thanks again.